It's 4 a.m. It's super early, but I woke up because I'm going on a road trip. It's gonna be 4 days, 4 different places road trip, and I'm gonna stay in 3 different places during this road trip. My friend actually decided to join last minute, literally. He told me yesterday, he's like, can I go with you for just like one day and then like I come back? So I'm actually going to meet him right now, and he's taking his car, so we're gonna caravan. And it's my last trip before my semester starts at a new school. So this is like one reset, recharge time for me, because it's gonna be a new chapter when I start school, and I'm transferring from community college to very competitive top school. So it's gonna be like hard classes, and I just need like time for myself before I start that. I met up with my friends. Rico, say hi.
Hi, how's it going?
The first stop was 3.5 hours away.
To be honest, like yesterday I was like, man, do I really want to wake up this early? Do I really want to go? But fuck yeah, I woke up and I was like, we in this bitch.
I feel like pretty awake. I don't
yeah.
feel like super tired, you know?
No, I'm good.
If you dance, I'll dance. And if you don't, I'll dance anyway. Give things a chance.
It seems like it's not really cold, but it's actually freezing because we're on the top of the mountain. So I was wearing like this one jacket, and I have to put this like a second jacket on, and I wish I was wearing like a beanie instead of hat.
Let the fear you have fall away. I've got my eye on you. I've got my eye on you.
Look at this crystal clear water. Oh my gosh, how clean it is. Wow, it's so nice. Oh my gosh. The steam is just coming out of the ground.
This up here, Rob. You see the colors? Up here. See the colors up in there? Okay.
We stopped by at this mini gas station over here because I really had to put some gas, and I'll show you what I had for snacks. I had this mozzarella sticks that's left from like yesterday, and I had some chips, some snacks, and also I feel like I'm a little down on the energy and we have so much to do, so I got like energy drink, which I usually don't get, but I'm doing it today because it's only like 12 and I feel already tired because we like need to do so many things in one day, which I think that's what it happens like when you travel most of the time. But I'll take it more easy like tomorrow or something. We just got to the waterfall, and we went to one waterfall, and they said that we cannot get there because we had to like make reservation. They only accepted like with the reservation for the summer, and so we basically ended up coming to different waterfall. and it was like easy to find parking here, and they told us to see the waterfall is like a really short hike. It's so funny, my friend like parked over here and I'm parked over there, and basically he was like walking around here to try to find me and I was walking around way to find him. But yeah, I changed into shorts and I have this like a bag, like I hear the waterfall.
Oh wow.
Oh,
Look at that. Oh my god. Oh my
and
god.
we can
That girl
swim
looks
in
like
there.
she was shirtless. Like, you know what I mean?
I guess, yeah, like naked. Oh my gosh, dude, we can literally
the
swim
waterfall's right here.
in that water. I know, we gotta go over there. Let's go over there. It reminds me so much of Hawaii, but the water was warmer, obviously. So we just got to the waterfall. I got in the water. The water was like literally like a cold plunge. Because they're all heavy here, huh?
Oh yeah.
Made it to Mount Shasta. Going just up this road and see where it takes us, and going all the way up as long as we can. We are not planning to hike or anything, but we are just like driving.
If you go, I'll stay. You come back, I'll be right here, like a bird at sea. In the storm, I stay clear, 'cause I've got my mind on you.
And the last stop for today is Vista Point. We are like hiking to there. It says it's supposed to be like 0.25 miles, and we've been walking for like 2 minutes, and it seems like kind of not going anywhere, so we're a little worried that we've been fooled. I'm so glad we actually made it, and we were driving on this like a super like thin wavy road that almost got me like a heart attack. But okay, look at this view, it's just crazy. I got into my motel and I checked in. I'm eating this bowl that I got. So it's just like the rice and the chickpeas, and it's literally the last thing I'm gonna eat today.